Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are stepping into a world where supercar performance collides with luxury RV living. This is the all-new 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a machine that pushes boundaries, breaks traditions, and proves that Ferrari's obsession with speed and design can be stretched into something far bigger than a hypercar. If you're ready to experience elegance, power, and innovation in one breathtaking masterpiece, stay with me, because this one is special. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome looks like a supercar sculpted into a grand touring home on wheels. It carries the signature Ferrari DNA with its aerodynamic curves, razor-sharp LED headlamps, sculpted air channels, and a low, commanding stance that feels impossible for a vehicle this large. The iconic Rosso Corsa paint glows under sunlight, and the massive carbon fiber grille gives it a presence that instantly turns heads on highways or campsites. Moving to the interior, the luxury is on another level. The cabin welcomes you with soft Italian leather, Alcantara surfaces, hand-stitched details, and ambient lighting that sets the mood from calm travel comfort to high-performance excitement. The living area includes a plush sofa lounge, a retractable dining table, and a panoramic digital dashboard that extends the full width of the cockpit. Under the hood, this is where things get wild. Ferrari equipped the motorhome with a hybrid V8 powertrain, delivering brutal torque and an unbelievable 0-60 capability for a luxury RV. Paired with a performance-tuned suspension, active aero, and all-wheel drive, this motorhome moves with the precision of a GT sports car. As for the price, exclusivity always carries a premium. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at an estimated $1.9 million, depending on customization, materials, and performance packages. This isn't just transportation, it's a status symbol on wheels, built for owners who want Ferrari prestige beyond the racetrack. Safety is equally impressive. Ferrari added multi-radar collision detection, lane pilot automation, 360-degree AI cameras, emergency braking, adaptive highway steering, and Ferrari's newest stability system engineered specifically for long-body luxury vehicles. Whether you're navigating mountain curves or cruising long highways, the motorhome keeps you in total control. In summary, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a bold masterpiece, combining hypercar engineering, luxury home comfort, and Ferrari's unmatched design philosophy. It's rare, powerful, extravagant, and built for travelers who want to experience the world in the most elite way possible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stunning vehicle showcases. Until next time, drive safe and explore with passion.